I hope I am able to make you understand how a website is made. If any one of you wants to say something, you are most welcome to say. Good afternoon, Mastan Wali. Yes, Salman. Do you want to say something? Adarsh, good morning, good afternoon. Lakshman, good afternoon. Let everybody join quickly so that we can get started. All right. So let's get started now. So in the previous session and up till previous session, we have learned how to make the home page and all these sections, right? About a section, then recent blogs. Okay. And you may have missed all these sections we have already made. And also these social media icons. Okay. If you still have any problems, if you find any difficulty, you can revisit the website. You can revisit the recorded videos. You can watch the recorded videos again. And still, if in case you have any troubles, you can always ask me. All right. So we have made the home page. We have made the about us page like this. Okay. You can write as much as you want. I have written just for demo purpose. I have written a small text over here, but you can write as much as you want. Then we created the categories like this, okay, and then we created the contact us pages, wherein any user can fill in his inquiry, fill in his name, mobile number, email ID, and the message that he wants to give us, and then we can contact him. Okay, so up till here we have already done. So now today we are going to I'll tell you how to design or how to change these icons. Okay, Facebook, uh, X, then Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, etc. And then we are also going to make this footer menu today. Okay, so these are the two tasks that you have to do today. So let's get started quickly. So let's get back into our backend. So click on www.bbIC.infinityfreeapp.com /wp-admin/, and this will give you the login window. Just log in to your username and password, and you will land onto this dashboard back again. Okay, so once you are into your dashboard, so let's go to this appearance. From appearance, go to customize. Okay, now everything will get customized. Every page that you want to customize, you can directly customize from here also. Okay, let me click on it. So it will show you the customize window. Okay, so these are some of the journal settings. Okay, these are some of the journal settings, like base color. What color? If you think that pink color is not suiting me, or I want to change some color, then you can always change the color. Okay, then post category color. So here it is light pink color, and I want to change this color, then you can always change this color. See, here it is looking pink, and if I want to change it, just click on the color, and then you will see the this thing color palette. Okay, you can choose the desired color, and then you can choose OK button. You can choose publish. Okay, for now I am not doing it because this color is looking fine. And here post category color. So here for now post category color is light pink, and on hover over it gets dark pink. So let's see. Similarly here, category color, politics color, and sports color. So whatever category you have, if you want to give each category a different color, then also you can change the color. For example, I want to give politics as red color. Okay, uh, like this, maybe like this. So you can always scroll this this round circle, and wherever whatever color you want to choose, you can always choose that. So this is the color blue that I have chosen, and after that you can always scroll this bar. Okay, meaning that you want a darker shade or a lighter shade, whatever shade you want of blue, then you can always choose that. Got it? So this is how you can make the changes. Then sports color. Sports color, if I want to change the sports color, then also I can change the sports color. See, blue that we have changed just now, see, it has changed. It has changed like this. All right. And sports, I want to keep something maybe yellow or something. So let's turn to this main color yellow, and then we can scroll this bar. Okay, that means light yellow, dark yellow, mid yellow, baby yellow, whatever type of yellow you want to choose, you can choose it. Now see, this color will change in a moment. uh, oh sorry, I have changed the politics color. I'm so sorry. Let's keep the politics color as this thing, something red. Okay, and let's move the bar upwards and see here. Okay, so this is red color, and I want to keep it slightly mid red. Okay, so let's see if it has changed, or let's keep it blue only, what we did earlier. Let's see. This is the sports one, and this is the politics one. Now you can see that this has changed. Okay, now I want to change the sports color. So on the sports color, just click on this. Okay, sports color, and now you can change the sports color maybe to yellow. Okay, I want to change it to somewhat yellow, and in yellow also I want to do it somewhat mid yellow. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, If you think the earlier color was also looking fine, then you can always choose back the pink color which was there earlier. Or you can always change the shade. You can lighten it like this. Okay. And then you will find, see this, it has gone back again as pink. Once satisfied, you can publish it. So you also always have to publish it, otherwise it will not get these will, the effects will not get published. You are not going to see the effects. So let me publish it, and let me go to the home page first, and let me change it, refresh it, and let me check back. Let me check back. Okay, so you can see here the post category color has changed to blue. All right. This politics color has gone changed to blue. And also let's check out the sports color. So this color has changed, or it is as usual as pink, because we set it to pink only. All right. Okay. Now let's go back to the customize section again. We have already published it. Now base typography. Base typography means what kind of colors do you want to use? Font family, language, then color, font size, and all those things. I think we have already discussed them, so no need to discuss them again. Then miscellaneous settings. So miscellaneous settings, you can leave them for now, because you don't have to do every kind of settings. Now next is logo and title. So if you have a brand logo, then you can always insert or upload the logo from here. Okay, like this. And there is a logo margin size. How much, what should be the size of the logo from left, right, top, bottom, and all that. Okay. And site title is BBIC. So here is the site title. Okay. Now, if you want to write any tagline, if you want to give any tagline to it, then you can always give it here. Okay. Just like we typed, your search for training ends here. So if I want to show this, then it will appear over here. Okay. But for now, I don't want to show this tagline, so I'll toggle it off like this. Now site icon, you know what is site icon. What you see over here, W, what you see on this email, M. Okay, what you see on this meet, this small icon, these icons are called as site icons. Okay, so you can choose any site icon of your choice, and this W will be replaced by that icon. If you have it, you can choose it. If you don't have it, you can leave it for now. But when you make your own website, then you have to, you should be having a site icon. Okay. Once satisfied, you can publish it, because we have not made any changes over here, so there is no need to publish. Going back and coming to header section first of all. So header section, if you want to enable the top bar, okay, top enable top bar, so the top bar will be enabled. See, like this. This is called as top bar. So whatever you want to write over here, you can write. Okay. For now, I am not enabling it. I am disabling it because I don't want a top bar. Okay. Next, we have main header. Now this is the thing. Main header. In the main header, what are the things that we have? We have these social media icons, then we have dark and light mode, then we have search button, and then we have subscribe button. All right, so if you want to make changes in these buttons, right, then we can make it. So let's get started, and as promised, I'll tell you how to make changes in these buttons. Okay. So first, on the left hand side, we can see social media links. So social media links, under social media links, you have a variety of links, right? So whatever link you want to insert, you can select over here. Okay. So these are, I think these are by default, and some settings will be shown only in the premium mode. Okay. Then widget location, left or right, where do you want to show the widgets? If you want to show it on the left, then left. If you want to show it on the right, then right. Then visibility. If you want to show it both on mobile version as well as on all the devices, then you can enable show on all devices. But in case you want to hide it on the mobile, then you can choose this option, hide on mobile or hide on mobile and tablets. So these options will be hidden when you are accessing your website, or anybody is accessing your website on mobile version or tablet version. Okay. Next is dark mode. So let's click on it and see what settings do we have for the darker mode. So, darker mode means that where do you want to display this darker mode? Do you want to display it on the left or on the right? For now, it is on the right. So if you toggle it to left, then it will move to the left. I think these options are freezed because they will change only in the premium version. Okay. Then search button. So we have this search button on the right. Let's see if I change it to left. Still, it is on the left hand side, right hand side only. So that means it is not changing at all, even if I try to change it. And then button. So button means here there is a button called subscribe button, right? But if you want to change it, you can change it. And you can also insert your URL. So if anybody clicks on this subscribe button, they can, or call us button, they can call you on a specific number, or here you can write WhatsApp. Let me see if we have what text here. So for example, if I change it to WhatsApp,
बैठ गए
okay, so now the text has changed to WhatsApp instead of subscribe. Okay, so whatever you want to write, you can change it here. And then If you have written WhatsApp, so if anybody clicks on it, they will land onto your WhatsApp number. Okay, so you have to give the link of your WhatsApp number, business WhatsApp number, mind it. Once satisfied with every changes, then you can always publish it. Okay, now this is done. Now if you want to see it back again, how it looks like, now this subscribe button will change to WhatsApp button. See, it has changed, right? So this is how we can make changes or customize these header. Okay, this is the main header. Let's go back and see page header. So these are some of the page headers. What do you want to show in the background? So if you want to show some image, this is a white background basically. So if you want to show any kind of image or any kind of text, just like a watermark, then you can always choose it. And similarly, if you want to change the color from white to something else, then also you can change it. And similarly, the font color. So if you want to change the font color, you can always do that. I am not changing it because it is completely looking fine. So there is no point doing unnecessary things. Now, breadcrumbs. So what is breadcrumbs? Breadcrumbs means the path that is shown on the website. Okay, Lakshman, please uh, mute yourself. Okay, so now this path will be shown over here. Let me show you. Mm, okay. So it says enable breadcrumbs, yes, and disable on homepage, blog page. So I have disabled. Initially, it was like this, ticked on this. So I have switched it off, meaning that I don't want to disable it on any page. I want every page to show the breadcrumbs. Now, how does breadcrumb looks like? I'll tell you. Let me check if it has updated on any page. Let's see. Okay, so this is a breadcrumb. Okay, how? From home, I mean, it shows the path from where you have been traveling and where have you landed. All right, like you have traveled from the home page to category page to politics page and so on. So you are currently on the politics page. Got it? So this is called as a breadcrumb. Breadcrumb means a path. If you want to know from where have you traveled, where did you started your travel from, and where have you landed, or where you are currently on which page. So this path or this breadcrumb will show you that path. I hope it is clear to you what is breadcrumb. Okay, let's go back. And then we have sticky header. Sticky header means that this header will remain intact no matter how we are scrolling up and down, but this top bar will remain sticky. That means it will not move with the page. Okay, how? I'll tell you. For example, let's switch on the toggle it on, enable sticky header. Okay, okay, now this is done. Now you can see if I publish it, And let me tell you now, if you can see that this top bar is moving, or it is hiding if I scroll down, right? If I scroll up and down, this this top bar is hiding, or it is going up. But if I refresh the page, because I have enabled the sticky header, so just uh, if I just refresh the page and now see that my header is sticky. Okay, see, the header is not moving actually. See, even if I go down, my header will appear over here. Okay, this is what is sticky header. Sticky header means it has sticked to one place. It is not moving, or it is not moving with the page, right? No matter if I am here, then header will be here. If I go down, then also the header will be seen over here. All right. So this is what is sticky header. So you should try to enable the sticky header. Keep this on. Okay. Let's go back. So this was about the header. So these are the header settings that we have changed. Okay. Then we have, after header, now we are going to change the footer settings. So as I told you, as I promised that we are going to make footer section, so now we are going to make the footer section. So here is the, first of all, main footer. Okay, so click on it. So how many columns do you want to make on the footer? So columns means that this is one column, this is another column, and this is third column. First column says search, second column is for categories, and third column is for archives. Okay? Okay. And if I want to make only one column, then we can choose like this. Only one column will appear. Okay, nothing else. All right. But I want to make it 3 columns. So now 3 columns have appeared. Now design options, background. If I want to change the background color, then you can always change to the background color. If you want solid, or even if you want gradient color. So see, the color has changed to a gradient color. Gradient means the mixture of 2-3 colors. All right. So which color combination you want, that is totally up to you. Okay, which color mixture you want, that is totally up to you. Like we have, for by default we have black color and a blue color. Okay, so if I want to change it, I can always change it. See, this is like 50-50 effect. Got it? And if you want linear or gradient, gradient means that it will become a kind of circle, shady circle in the center. Let me tell you how. See, like this. On the each ends there will be a lighter version, and in the center there will be a darker version. So I don't like this. I like linear version only. And let me reduce it. That's better. All right. And if you want to change the angle also, then also you can change the angle. Currently it is 45. I want to change the angle. Changing angle means where do you want to show the lighter version and where do you want to show the darker version. Got it? Like this. So I am keeping it as earlier, which was 45 degrees. So manually also you can change it. Just click on it and 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay, like this. Okay. Now this is it. This was the main setting. and let's publish it to make it enabled to activate the settings. Okay, go back, and now this copyright. Now see, you can see this copyright 2025 BBIC, all rights reserved, and something like that is written. Blog hash WordPress theme. So I don't want this word to appear like blog hash WordPress theme. So go to the copyright bar. This is a copyright bar. Okay, copyright bar always appears at the bottom. So just go to the copyright bar, and here we have this thing, text. So this is the text. The year 2025 is fine. BBIC is written fine. All rights reserved is written fine. Okay. And the theme link, I don't want the theme link. So let's remove it from here. So if you don't have any idea about the coding, then you can always skip it. Don't make any changes, or don't disturb these settings. Okay, I know something about coding, so I know where to make the changes. All right, so you can see here, copyrights 2025 BBIC, all rights reserved. All right. And one more thing we can add here. Okay, let's leave it like this only. And then widget location, where do you want to show this? At the starting or at the end? So I think this is quite sticky. It is not changing. Show on all devices. Do you want to show this copyright notification? Copyrights means who is the owner of this website. So BBIC is the owner of this website. This shows that. Okay, that means all the copyrights are reserved with this BBIC, who has designed this website, or whose website is this. Okay, so once satisfied, you can always publish it. Okay, now published. Let's check out once again. For now, our footer is looking something like this. Okay, but I want to we have just made the changes, and this also we have just removed this. So let's see, let's refresh this page and see whether we have the desired changes or not. Yes, we do have desired changes. We have made the desired changes. This is a gradient footer, and at the bottom it is written copyrights 2025 BBIC, all rights reserved. Okay, up till here we have done. I hope you are understanding it.
What is mean by copyright, madam?
What is copyright? Okay, copyright is the symbol that we use to indicate that it is our product, or this is our website. Nobody else can copy this website or any content thereon. If anybody copyrights basically means any and every content. Content means whether the written content, text content, or maybe the images. All these are owned by us. And if anybody copies either the design of our website, or the images of our website, or the text content of our website, then he will have to face legal challenges. Okay, we can sue him in the court. So this is why we write it as a matter, or as a matter of caution. We are giving a caution note to people that this website is our copyright content, or copyrights website. Nobody else can copy anything from this website, neither the design, neither the this thing, neither the images nor the text. Nothing can be copied. I hope you have got your answer.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else? Anybody else? If you want to ask, you are more than welcome to ask your queries. Is there anyone else who wants to ask something? All right. No problem. Now we can move ahead. So this is what we have made. So also, after copyrights, we have also written all rights reserved. All rights reserved means we reserve all the rights, or we have all the rights to make any changes at any point of time. Okay, nobody else can challenge us that why you have made these changes in your website. Okay, it is totally our rights. The rights are totally reserved to us. What changes do we make in our website from time to time? All right. So after this, I hope you have understood that how to change the color of the footer, how to change this copyrights, text, and all that. All right. Now we are going to change these things, categories, archive, and so on. So let's change this archive to something else, and let's add some more categories. Okay. Okay. So how to do that? Let's go back to our menu. Okay. Uh, how from again I'm telling you how to go there. From appearance, this is your appearance. From appearance, go to customize, or you can directly go to menus. If you are going to customize, then from customize you have to go to the menu section. So this is customize, and then you have to go to the menu section. Okay, this is a menu. Primary menu we have already set. Primary menu means main menu, this which appears on the top, that is called as primary menu. Okay, and this one, this menu which you can see at the bottom, it is called as footer menu. So we have to create a footer menu. So let's create it. Create, and let's name it as footer menu. Okay, so instead of creating it right from here, I think we should create it from the other way. Let me tell you how. Go to appearance, and from appearance go directly to the menu section. You will land on the same page, like right here. Okay, now uh, now we have to create a new menu. See here, create a new menu. Okay, and name it as footer menu. So it is, the name is there, so footer menu. So we have named it as footer menu, and now I want to uh, create a menu. Okay, create, first of all, just create a menu. Okay, all right, save it again. And now what do you want to show under uh, uh, what do you want to show under the footer menu? So I want to show category, and under category I want to show uh, this politics, sports, religion. Where is politics? So let's check out. Actually, these are not categories, these are pages. I'm so sorry. Let's go to the posts. Okay, so let's go to posts, and categories. So categories are politics and sports. Add it. Okay. If you want to add some more categories, so I think we have to add these categories: entertainment, sports, entertainment, politics, religion, and sports. All of them I want to. Okay. So let me remove this first of all, the existing one, and this one also. Let me remove it. And then I want to insert all these category and add to menu. So like this, it will be added. But I want to rearrange it. And I want that entertainment, politics, religion, and sports should appear as a category, as a subcategory under the head category. Okay. So I want that first of all, politics should appear as a subcategory. Okay. So just slide it to the right. Slightly slide it to the right. Okay. Then we have sports like this. All right. So this is done. Now let's save it. All right. Now we have saved it and manage locations. Let me see. Okay. Now let's go back to our customize. Let's go back to the customize section. Okay. From customize, go to the this thing, menus. Okay. From menus, this is footer menu. Okay. See, footer menu has now appeared automatically. This is the category. Okay. If you still want to reorder any of the items, you can always reorder. Okay. Or you can add the primary navigation. Okay. Primary navigation should be this one only. Menus are this one. Okay. Okay. Now let me see where the footer is. Okay. Maybe widgets. So go to widgets. Okay. And in the first footer, there are 3 footers. So in the first footer, you have to add the you don't need to add anything because you want only search button. Okay. So let's leave it like this only. We have to change the second and the third one. So just go back. Okay. Footer 2. Okay. So now what do you want to show under this category? Okay. So I want to show the category title, and then I want let me insert a uh, new widget, and it will be called as navigation bar. Navigation, navigation, navigation menu. Okay, click on it and you will get navigation. So title it, that means you have to name it. So write down categories. Categories, categories. Okay, and now it will ask you which menu do you want to select, footer menu or primary menu, because we have created a specific and a different menu for our footer. So we will select only that menu. So let's click on it and done. Okay, so and this one you can delete it, you don't need it anymore, so you can delete this one. Now see, you have got the, if I delete it, if I delete the title also, then also it will appear in this manner. Okay, category, and under category you have politics, sports, entertainment, and these. So these are the categories that you have. Just a minute. Okay, let me do it again. Let me delete it once again and show you one more time. So you have this plus button. Okay, so for now you can see that your footer has gone. Okay, I want to put it again, so click on this plus button and choose navigation menu, navigation. Okay, so this navigation will appear over here. Click on it and then it will ask you the title. So you can now mention the title, that is categories, categories. Okay, and then we have footer menu, because I wanted to select footer menu, so this is my footer menu, so it will appear over here. Okay, this one more category type of something is appearing, or let me try to remove it. Okay, categories. Okay, so these, if you can see that there are two categories appearing over here. Why? What is the reason? I think I misspelled it. categories, categories. Category. Okay, category. Now that's fine. So now you might be wondering that why these two are appearing. So I'll remove one of them. You can see how do I do that. We have to make changes in the footer menu. Okay, for now I am just publishing it for now. All right, so now go back, and in the footer menu 3, footer menu 3 means here I don't want to show this archive, I want to show my social media icons. All right, so go to footer menu 3, click on it. Here is your archives, so delete it. You can always delete it, right click on it, or you can simply click on it, these three dots, you can click on it and then you can delete it. Okay, it will be gone. Okay, now again click on this plus button, and then search for social media icons. Okay, social media links or social media icons. Just click on it, and your social media links will be here. Okay, how they will be inserted? First of all, click on this plus button. Which social media link do you want to insert? I want to insert, first of all, Facebook. Okay, so click on it. Done. And then you have to add another another link, which is maybe Instagram. Instagram is also there, so you can insert Instagram also. Then you can insert one more, like YouTube. So you can insert YouTube also. One more I want what do I want? uh, okay, let's select Amazon. Okay, so you can select Amazon. And I also want Telegram. So you can select Telegram. Now you selected. Now you can now you must be wondering that why they are not appearing over here. Okay, why they are not appearing? So on the Facebook, just click on Facebook in order to insert your Facebook link. Okay, let me open the Facebook account and insert the Facebook link. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, and then again come here and paste it. Done. Okay, similarly for Instagram also, you have to click on Instagram. Okay, and then insert the Instagram link. See here, I have just inserted the Facebook link, so it has appeared over here. Similarly, if I insert the Instagram link, then it will appear over here, and so on. So let me insert the Instagram link also. So Instagram. Okay, let me just copy it. Okay, and then paste it. Done. So now you can see that Instagram is also appearing over here. Similarly, you can do with other icons also. Just click on it. All right, and then the box will appear. You can insert the link and click on this round arrow button. Okay, that's it. Once you have inserted all the social media icons, you can publish it. Okay, once published, you can always check back over here. Just refresh your refresh your page, and you can see that now category is appearing. All the categories are there. Okay, and then you can see the Facebook button, then Instagram button you can see. So let me let me switch off my Facebook and Instagram both, and let me click on Facebook to test whether it has it has inserted or not. Yes. So now this link has been inserted. Okay. Again, let's go back and let me. All right. So similarly, Let's click on this Instagram to test whether it has been attached to our Instagram or not. Yes, so it has been attached. So if anybody clicks on this Facebook or Instagram button, then they will land onto our Instagram page. Okay, companies minded that you should always link your business Facebook page and business Instagram page, not your personal ones. Okay, now here also you can see politics. You should always, whenever you add these categories or anything, you should always test them whether they are actually working or not. Okay, let me test it. So let's click on this politics and see if it is actually going to the politics page. Yes, it is going to the politics page, right? And we can read the politics related articles. Let's test for the sports also. So let's click on sports and see whether yes, it is landing onto our sports page. Got it? So this is how it happens. And entertainment, let's click on entertainment. It will show you a blank page because we have not created any blog on the entertainment. So it is quite clear. Okay, similarly religious. So it will also be a blank page. So you see there aren't any posts. So like this, you can make several categories, and here you can see Facebook and Instagram have now appeared. Okay, just like you added them. I hope that makes sense. And now you need know how to insert the categories, how to insert the this thing, the Facebook social media icons. Okay, let me click on again. So this is your page basically. This is our home page. Let me click here. So here is our page. But now I just as I was saying that we have to there are two categories appearing over here. So why is it so, and how to correct it? So let's go back, go back, and go back to the menu section. Okay, so click on this menu and click on this footer menu and click on this remove this category. Okay, remove this word category. Okay, now just publish it. Okay, and now see the effect. Currently it is appearing like this, and now it will change. See, the category word has changed. Okay, only one category is appearing, and under this politics, sports, then entertainment, and then religious is appearing. And here we have social media icons. We can increase or decrease the size of the icons, and also we can move them to the right. Okay, so this is how if you can prepare, you can make your website. You can design your footer menu. Okay, if you click on this round circle button, arrow button, upward arrow button, this indicates that it will take you to the top of your page. So let's click on it. So it will take you to the top of your page like this. Okay, so it totally depends on you whether you want to keep uh, whether you want to keep this page as a home page, this one, like these are called as tickets. Tickets are moving, and the social media icons are there. You want to keep it like this, or you want to keep it like this. You want to design it on your own. It is totally up to you. It is totally your choice. How do you want to do it? All right. So now, as promised, I have told you about the top menus, main menus, primary menu, uh, the social media icons, how to make changes in these icons, and how to make the footer menu, how to make changes in the footer menu. Okay, we have made three categories. Okay, and I forgot to write on this category the title, that is social media, or connect us on. Okay, any title you can give, connect us on, or find us on Facebook, Instagram, or you can write contact us on. Anything you can write. Or if you don't want to show your social media icons over here, because we have already inserted these social media icons on the top, then you can insert your email ID, your address, your business address, and mobile number, telephone number, landline number, email ID, everything that you can insert over here. So this is how you can do the changes. So I hope I have been able to make you understand how the website is made, and there are still more things coming up in the next session. Okay, tomorrow tomorrow is the weekend for you. That means the last class of the week. So tomorrow we'll be doing something more exciting. Okay. Also, I'll tell you how to insert a video. All right. How to insert a video somewhere. So, is there anything else? Anybody, if you want to ask anything, any questions? Okay. Okay, Adarsh. No. Okay. Okay, Devyani. Okay, Adarsh. All right, then. Thank you for now, and see you in the next session tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.